We'll see how ethical hackers track anyone's live location, GPS location, how they record the calls, view contacts, how they read SMS. So what kind of tools they use to collect these kind of details. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about one of the ethical hacking tools, Lemon. So it is available L3MON name on internet on GitHub. So you can search the L3MON on internet and open the GitHub website. It will take you to here. So Lemon is a powerful web-based remote administration tool, also known as an Android RAT, designed to help manage Android devices through a secure and centralized dashboard. It is built on Node.js. It allows users to control and monitor connected devices directly from a web interface. With its streamlined setup and browser-based access, Lemon provides a modern approach to remote device management, making it convenient to handle multiple Android devices from virtually anywhere through a secure server environment. So Lemon supports real-time monitoring of mobile, control data collection, and remote device management capabilities designed specifically for ethical hacking, security research, and authorized penetration testing. Through its web-based dashboard, security professionals can simulate real-world attack scenarios, assess device vulnerabilities, and strengthen overall system defenses. When used responsibly and with proper authorization, these features provide valuable insights that help organizations identify weaknesses, improve mobile security, and stay ahead of potential threats. So let's see what kind of features it provides. So here you can see GPS logging, you can track anyone live location, microphone recording. We can see what kind of contacts or numbers saved on the device, mobile. We can read SMS, send it. We can send SMS also from that mobile without knowing the user. We can see the call logs to whom user is calling, how long it is talking, when and how like that. We can see which apps are installed on the mobile, which Wi-Fi networks user is using. So how to use this one, this tool. So you can click on the code button, drop down button here using this command HTTPS, or you can download directly here zip file, git clone and this URL, git clone and this URL using this URL you can download it. So for installation, Java 1.8.0 version is required. You can check Java space hyphen version using command which version is installed. So if you are using Ubuntu, Termux, Fedora OS or Windows, you can install the Java version, this Java OPK file using these commands. So after that, use npm install command to install the PM2. If you face any issues, use refer remaining commands also. Also install the Node.js also. Before installing PM2, install Node.js, then go for the PM2 installation. After checking and installing PM2 and Node.js, extract the zip file downloaded using this git command. So once you extracted the file, there will be one folder, lemon. Using cd command, you can open that directory and run npm install. Already we have run here, so no need to run again and again. So we can execute pm2 start index.js to start the script. After that, pm2 startup to run the lemon on startup, stop the lemon, pm2 stop index. Then using editor, vi or nano command, you can open this main.db.json file. There will be one option in coding username and password. So username will be there mentioned already. We need to add the password there. After adding the password, save that file and restart the session. We have to restart all. Once you restart it, open up any browser and use this IP address to access the label http://127.0.0.1 : 225333 So it will show you the dashboard there. Using that dashboard, you can generate a APK file. Once you generate the APK file, you can use that APK file to install in user's mobile to track their location and access that mobile through remotely. So this way you can track anyone's location using Lemon tool. You can read messages, call logs, and all details. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe the channel for more such content to learn the ethical hacking and penetration testing. Also, please mention in the comment box on which topic you would like to see the next video. Thank you.